Select the site www.memoryproject.eu. Click on Visit Memory Application. Make your registration here. Click on Register. Sign in and log in. How to use the memory application. Choose the flag of the country you are interested in and click on View Memories. Click on the map on the area of your choice and add your memory. You can choose one existing memory from the map and interact with it. You can choose a category. The memory posts have different formats: photos, videos, audios, texts from different periods of the life of the members of the community. All memories added on the map directly appear in the list. There you have the option to interact with every single memory, like it, share a similar experience, etc.